Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Dave to Cash App using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Cash App. Once it's open, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Banking. Here you will see your routing number and account number. These are important, so keep this screen open or write them down. Next, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account or settings at the top right corner of your screen. Once you are on your settings screen, tap on link bank. This section shows which banks are connected to Dave. Tap add a bank to connect to new one. Dave may show a list of popular banks. Since Cash App may not appear directly, choose manual link or enter bank details manually. Carefully enter the routing number and account number from the Cash App. Double check the numbers to make sure there are no mistakes. After entering the details, tap continue or confirm. Dave may take a moment to verify the connection. In some cases, it might send a small test deposit to Cash App to confirm the account. If that happens, just wait and confirm the amount when off. Once the verification is complete, Cash App will appear as a link bank inside the Dave app. And that's it. You have successfully connected Dave to Cash App using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.